Greetings everyone, I am Hossein M. Istiak, ID 204235001. Today we are going to discuss about automatic doorbell ringer. At first, meet our team. First there is me, then Shopnil Abdur Rahman 18389503, then comes Islam Moinul 20423901, and then Rahman Tawaz 20439612. Contents. At first we will go through the introduction part, then the components of a doorbell ringer, then the working process of it, applications of it, and at the last the conclusion. Introduction. At first, let me introduce you what is a doorbell. Our doorbells are usually signaling devices used to alert the person inside of a building to open the door as someone has arrived. This design takes over the task of ringing the bell in various institutions. The bell would ring automatically at a scheduled time. It's not always the case that a person can reach a doorbell, so that it would be nice if it rings automatically after detecting a person. Components. Here we can see there are 5 components of a doorbell ringer. At first we can see phototransistor, then comes 555 IC timer, then IR LED, then buzzer, and then register. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Abdurrahman Shapnil, and as my group mate already mentioned about the components used in an automatic doorbell ringer, now I'm going to demonstrate about them. Phototransistor. The phototransistor is a semiconductor device. Phototransistors and photodiodes can both be used for sensing light, but the phototransistor is more sensitive in view of the gain provided by the fact that it is a bipolar transistor. This makes phototransistors more suitable in a number of applications. 555 IC timer. The 555 timer was designed by Hans Kamenzind in 1971. It can be found in many electric devices, starting from toys and kitchen appliances to even a spacecraft. It is a highly stable integrated circuit that can produce accurate time delays and oscillations. IR LED. IR sensor is an electronic device. An IR sensor can measure the heat of an object as well as detects the motion. Usually in an infrared spectrum, all the objects radiate some form of thermal radiation. Buzzer. An audio signaling device like a beeper or buzzer may be mechanical type. The main function of this is to convert the signal from audio to sound. Generally, it is used in timers, alarm devices, printers, alarms, computers, and etc. based on the various designs. Resistor. A resistor is an electrical component that limits or regulates the flow of electrical current and in an electronic circuit. Resistors can also be used to provide a specific voltage for an active device such as a transistor. That's all from me. Now my next group mate will demonstrate about the applications of an automatic doorbell ringer.
Assalamu alaikum sir. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Moinul Islam and my previous group member already have mentioned our presentation topic. Now I am going to present its application and its working process. We have some application for automatic doorbell ringer like digital watch, video recorders, washing machine, microwave ovens, college security system and school security system. We can use this application for automatic doorbell ringer. My next presentation topic is working process. Uh, Here the buzzer is 2000 kilohertz. That's why we can hear the beep sound. The IR LED and the phototransistor is placed near to each other. In normal operation, phototransistor and transistor does not get any conduct. When the LED will emit, so it will provide some signal and the transistor will also receive signal and it will conduct. After that conduction, it will trigger in trigger mode, monostable circuit. After that, the circuit will perform the monostable characteristic. For this, so we need a trigger. we have written this large arrangement to give that particular trigger to using this LED and photodiode. The phototransistor conduct and trigger get biased, and it start conducting. Then the timer received a low signal and timer get triggered. In this way, this will be trigger when it will conduct. So this is our main operation for automatic doorbell ringer. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Islam Moinul, for giving me the opportunity to speak. And now I'm gonna sing about some advantages. There are so many advantages of this doorbell, as we know, and no wiring is required, easy to install, and this doorbell is quite cheap, and anyone can afford this. Whenever any visitor came in front of the door, it will alert as soon as possible, and it will also provide the better security. And now, the at last or the conclusion part, I would like to say some that from a long time to the present days, school, colleges, and houses use this doorbell which carried out manually. These main disadvantages of this doorbell that one person has to be alert for it. To overcome this, we have prepared a circuit which will be operated automatically and the ringing will start by its given time. The purpose of this project was to save time rather than searching for the doorbell, enhance the security by detecting any object standing in front of the door. So, this was our presentation, and I would like to say thank you very much to be with us.